gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. And if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But today is going to be another video about Poshmark. This is actually my third video now. I will link the other two down below. Definitely go check that out. But today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to share with you kind of what has been selling on my Poshmark and share with you what sold in the highest day yet. So I sold a little over $500 in just 24 hours, and I wanted to share with you everything that I sold. Also, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to get more sales on your Poshmark closet. Before I jump right into it, if you guys don't know, Poshmark is an app that you can sell used or brand new clothing items, accessories, home decor. My closet is really mainly just accessories and female clothing, but you can definitely sell so many things. If you guys haven't yet downloaded the app, when you download it, use my code NICOLETTAXO. You can get $15 if you're Canadian and $10 American. Definitely try it. I'm absolutely obsessed with the app. You guys probably know this now. It's become kind of like a little side gig for me. I'm not being sponsored. Poshmark doesn't know I'm filming this video at all, but I absolutely love it because it low-key feels like I have a little clothing store, which was always been my dream. You don't only need to just sell there, but I totally recommend even just using the app to buy things for much cheaper. You're gonna get a better deal than buying it in stores. And a lot of the times, if you guys maybe don't want it to be used, you can even find brand new items and you're gonna pay half of the price even, or a quarter of the price. So I totally recommend using the app even just to buy and not only just sell if you want to save money. So like I said, I will link my referral code down below for you guys to sign up with it so you can get your free Poshmark credit. I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up my phone here and share with you everything that sold, and then I'm gonna share with you the couple tricks that I noticed work amazing on my Poshmark closet and that has made my sales go up so much more. Most of the things that I sold, I did go back and forth with negotiations. There were a few pieces that were bought with the price I asked for, and then the other ones I negotiated back and forth with, which I am always open to offers as long as, you know, they're reasonable. And I think that it's better to also get a customer over a couple dollars here and there. I'm just gonna scooch over a little bit and go through everything quickly that sold in the last 24 hours. So the first thing that sold for me is my black Nike Fit dry long sleeve top. It is just in an extra small, and this ended up selling for $20. The next thing I sold is a Call It Spring lilac pearl purse. It's just kind of like a medium-sized satchel, and it comes with a crossbody attachment to it as well. It's super cute, and it finally sold for $30. Then finally, my pink Peplum tank top sold. This is from the brand Charlotte Russe. It sold for $10. This one was actually sitting there for quite a while, so I was so happy to finally get it out of my closet and get it sold. For most of my sales, I did get negotiations back and forth. For the most part, I will tell you when someone just bought it for the normal price that I listed it as. The next thing, which I was also super excited to get out of my closet, are these never worn True Religion jeans, and this was in a size 26, and these sold for $49. I actually remember buying these when I was in Vegas when True Religion was everywhere, and honestly I never found myself wearing them. They were just a bit too long for me and I never got them hemmed, so I'm so happy I was able to get them out of my closet and get them into someone that's actually gonna wear them instead of it sitting there and just collecting dust. The next thing I sold are these Forever 21 burnt orange platform heels. So these ended up selling for $20. They were like a suede material. They're actually super cute. I wore these quite a few times, but honestly I haven't been wearing heels like this in a while, so I thought I would just sell it. And then the next thing I sold is this two-piece set. So it just comes with a tank top, crop top, and then it comes with a matching skirt, and this set sold for $30. Next are these H&M light wash denim shorts, and these are more of like a mid to high rise, I would say. This ended up selling for $16. Now I got a bundle, which I absolutely love bundles, and I think they are so worth it because when it comes to Poshmark, I totally recommend buying more than one item. You're gonna save on the shipping. So if you buy one item or 5 items, the shipping is the same, which is kind of annoying because, you know, I feel like it should be adjusted, but it doesn't. So it's actually worth it to buy more than one item on someone's closet, especially if you're gonna go back and buy something else. You might as well buy it at the same time so you don't have to waste more money on shipping. So this first bundle sold for $50 altogether, and the first thing I sold was a Brandy Melville black caged bralette, and then I sold this H&M black little dress. It just has spaghetti straps and it has some cutouts in the middle and the sides of the dress. It's actually super flattering on, and I've worn it quite a few times, so I was happy to get rid of that. And then the next bundle sold for $61.20, I believe. Such a random number, but she bought a Forever 21 black corduroy skirt as well as this navy blue tie-up crop top. And then the last thing is this white faux lamb long sleeve casual sweater jacket thing. It has like a little button clip in the middle. I was happy to get that one out too because that was sitting actually for quite a while, and now that it is summer, I was scared it wasn't gonna sell, so I was happy it finally sold. And then I sold a couple rompers actually. The first one being this H&M lacy coral romper. It just has spaghetti straps and shorts and has some detail with the floral crochet detailing, I guess. And this sold for $20 and it is in a size small. The next romper that sold is this white and blue romper. It has long sleeves and shorts. It's actually super cute on. It's just a little too small for me right now, so I was happy I sold it. And this was actually a host pick as well, and this sold for $30. The next thing I sold is this Hollister Duffle Bag, and I sold it for $20. It's just in this kind of like army green color. And then I sold new with tags high-waisted light denim mom jeans, and these were from Boohoo. These are actually so cute. I wish they fit me, but I ordered the wrong size, so they did not even go up my legs. So I was happy I got rid of this. It was in a size 2, and I sold it for $30. Then I sold this navy blue TNA crew neck sweater, and this one sold for $35, so for the asking price that I asked for. And then also I sold this lemon cooler bag. It is so cute. It's like a lemon slice. It sold for $20. And then the last thing I sold is this Le Chateau Sherpa line denim corduroy jacket. This one sold for my asking price of $35, so I was happy about that. That's everything I sold, so it was a little bit over $500 in sales in 24 hours. Of course, Poshmark does take their cut from that. I thought that was an amazing day for me. I had never had such a big day in sales, and it was super exciting for me, and I was really happy about that. It's crazy because at the beginning of the week I was getting no sales, and then on Thursday it was like bam, sales were coming through constantly. I kind of wanted to share with you what sold in the last 24 hours to show you kind of what's been selling on my closet, to maybe help you guys out, kind of see what brands are selling or what styles. I think that can always be useful, and it can kind of give you ideas, especially if you're a reseller and you're buying stuff and reselling it. You can kind of see what's been working with me, and maybe it will work for your closet. I think these are really great videos to watch to kind of see what the trends are as well, and seeing what works and what doesn't work. So now I'm just going to share with you a couple tips and tricks that I noticed worked for my closet and that I think is a key to getting more sales. What I noticed a lot since starting Poshmark, I get a lot of my sales near more the end of the week. So usually between a Thursday to Friday, and I find that the reason that probably is because most people get paid on a Thursday or Friday. And I notice a lot of the times that's when majority of my sales are and my bulk sales are, and that is when my sales were for this. This was during a Thursday for the full 24 hours, and I got all those sales in one day. And before that, on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I was getting no sales at all, and it just kind of all came at once. And I've been noticing that's a pattern, so that's why I kind of wanted to share with you guys, to give you my tips and tricks. Of course, I want you guys to be successful on the app, so I love sharing kind of things that are working for me, so hopefully it can work for you. But I also noticed listing things near the end of the week really help my closet. So when I do have items, I like to bulk list during those days, and I found that I sold a lot quicker. I find when you're constantly listing, you're more likely to get sales. When I kind of take breaks on being active and not listing, I notice my sales aren't too great. And whenever I am active and I'm listing constantly, that is when I notice the sales go up substantially. Even if that means relisting, so taking it down and reposting new photos and just new listings so it can go back to the top, I just find the end of the weeks has been amazing for my Poshmark closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below any Poshmark questions you have. I want to do like a Poshmark Q&A, so leave questions or follow me on Instagram and ask me on there. I always ask you guys Q&A questions over on there, so it's just at NICOLETTAXO. Let me know any of your Poshmark closets. I love to check them out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do upload every single week. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!